Greetings, Starseeds.
Greetings, Angelics. How are you today?
Welcome to GalacticWands, your one-stop shop for all of your energetic needs.
Here at GalacticWands, we have created a place where fellow light beings can come get ideas and shop.
Energy tools have been used throughout time to amplify its users' manifestation abilities.
They can also be used for energetic defense against those pesky lower vibrations.
Here at GalacticWands, we have a wide variety of light tools that were created to help our fellow light beings with their daily operations here in 3D.
We have healing wands great for Reiki masters, as well as energetic grids which act as force fields to keep up lower frequencies while you sleep.
For more information on these devices, simply click the link provided above. There are also multi-dimensional energy tools created to aid with connecting to one's higher self on the other side of the veil.
Not to mention our patented lodestone technology with the combination of Orgon fuel cells to increase energy flow.
There are also specific tools created for grid workers to aid in their planetary operations.
The double-sided short staffs are my favorite, especially with the selenite course for increased healing.
I like the staffs. I enjoy things that go boom. Just kidding.
No, you're not.
Fair enough. Energetic defense and maintaining your vibration no matter what your environment is.
Got the goal no matter if you live in a large city
or in a sacred place. May the host intend rain once more on this planet of awesomeness, and may your light shine for all time. Know that we are all in this together.
And together we are unstoppable. Love to all of you.
Namaste, Lakesh, my family, and welcome to GalacticWands and EthericTech product line. Here we have some of the new models that we've been working on for you guys for the past 6 months. Some of these prototypes we have created and had to then test amongst our family members to maximize the effect in what formulas work the most efficiently. It's almost like alchemy and some of the things that we are doing. In remembering some of these aspects, obviously our higher selves have a very important role in us remembering specific components and formulas for specific purposes. All of these energetic devices, here you see the pillars of light, and here you see our new models, the energetic, we call them the Egyptian batteries. These are awesome. In each of these components, they have a metallurgy component of 6 different types of metals, along with a copper, we like to call it our mini Tesla coils, that go out throughout the duration of each of our pillars. The main thing about a piezoelectric device, which Orgonite is, you can find more information about Orgonite and piezoelectric effect in GalacticWands and EthericTech Intel page. As far as the energy and what it conducts, each of these layers that we have individually created for you hold a specific frequency of energy, a bandwidth, if you may. The most important thing, from everything from the gold, we actually use real gold flake, and different aspects of the heavier elements, is that the frequency of which we would wish to create is one of protection, clarity, and connection. So again, it's protection, clarity, and connection. Connection between this reality and the one above. Connection between you and your individual higher self. Connection between you and your conscious stream. What we found is, in this density here on planet Earth, it is very difficult, especially if you live in a city, to actually energetically eject from your vessel. There's lots of compression and density that gives many of our family members around planet Earth a lot of strife. What we've done is created something that supersedes that for you. In the same ways that they have calculated certain controls on this planet, we will then find the solutions to undo what has been done. It's another thing of what we here on Team Light create. We are creating the solutions for tomorrow. We are creating the things that energetically work for us, that allow us to do our job in a much easier and efficient manner. These pillars of light, what I originally created these for, and for my family members, was energetic protection while we were sleeping. We found that in our dream time we were being affected by lower frequency vibrational things. Let's just keep it right there. What I wanted to simply create was, why can't I sleep in a force field? Why can't I sleep and just deal with my own processing? Why can't I try to experience what I need to experience, not with what everyone in this collective unconscious is trying to project against me, towards me? And that's truly what we tried to create, and we did create. It's taken over a year in development to actually seed the products that you have before you now. The pillars of light and the brand new products, the Egyptian batteries, are power-packed devices. We skipped no deal on their production. They are completely condensed with all, I think there's over 60 types of minerals and elements per battery. Not to mention the Tesla coil and the different things that go in it, the sodalite, the amethyst, the gold flake. Each of these have a double terminated quartz crystal. Some are Lemurian crystals, which if you well know that Lemurian quartz crystals are actually very good at recording information. So for example, these not only conduct energy piezoelectrically, but they conduct information. Now, how it works is, there's 4 directions usually, but I like to do is the 4 around your bed. So normally every human being on this planet has a bedroom, has a bed, right? Put these on each of your bedposts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have bedposts, on the ground facing up. And what I did is, if you want to think about this in miniature, these are pulse points. These pillars of light send energy up. Okay? If you want to think about it, it creates an energetic dome of 4 pillars of light around where you sleep at night. I then created the down. This would be considered as a vortex. This pulls energy down. All of these have programmed crystals inside, and like I said, a very similar we call it the magic mix of elements that creates the conductivity and effect we wish to create. This goes underneath where you sleep. So what you have done energetically is created an energetic net over your sacred space, over your bedroom, over your bed. We find this is very beneficial, and where we find it the most drastic, when we really notice a difference, is when we're on mission, when we're sleeping in hotel rooms, when we're driving, anything that's out of our house, our sacred space, which every single human being needs to understand that your home, your bedroom, that is your sacred space, and where you should be able to relax and have a good time, right? Well, we found that when we were on the road, I used to miss my bed. I used to miss coming home to my sacred space. And it wasn't until that point that I actually realized how much of an effect these devices actually have upon my reality. Now, with that, I will then move on to the next set of products that I've created for you. But here at EthericTech.com and GalacticWands.com, Team Light is bringing forth some of the spiritual technology from mixing some of the old with some of the new. And we do this for all of our family members with the highest intent. And look forward to new products coming out for EthericTech and GalacticWands.com. Namaste.
Namaste and Catch, my family. I'm Jason Stiles. I'll be introducing you to the next product on EthericTech, which is the Orgon Pyramid Bed Frame. We've made this easy to connect 5-piece set for you guys to save you on shipping costs, so that you could go to your local hardware store and buy your own copper and fit it to your own bed. The Easy Connect set goes a little something like this. You get these in the mail. You get a 4-piece side for each corner, and then you get a top pyramid capstone, and the capstone also comes with a quartz crystal in it, suspended in an Orgon matrix. Now, let me demonstrate how easy this is to construct your own bed pyramid frame. You get your copper, you slide it over the connector set, each one slides over, and then the capstone slides in. So now you have a pyramid over your bed at a 51-degree angle, which reflects that of the Giza pyramid and resonates to the 4032 Hertz heart chakra. If you want more information on these Orgon pyramid bed frame sets, you can go to EthericTech.com and just click on the link associated with the 5-piece set. Thank you very much. Namaste and Catch.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will present you the new device that we have in EthericTech.com. This we call the energetic halos. We have 2 different categories. One are the activation halos that they come with a Herkimer in the front, alignment with the 6th chakra. And this is the activation crown for the men's that came with a sober color, of course. We have 2 different kind of halos, the activation one and the psychic protection ones. The difference is this came with the Herkimer and this came with 4 kyanites. All of them came with 8 crystals, but they will be different to everybody because everybody's different. We just use the kyonite in this and the herkimer in this. And this will help you to connect you with all your stream and to amplify all your psychic power or protect. And this is about energetic halos. You have men's, female, these further are optional. So I hope you guys like it. Namaste.
Very excited today to show some of the new products that we have here at GalacticWands.com. These are the new hybrid healing wands. Through your guys' requests, I have begun to create the ultimate, I should say, or perfect healing tool for all Reiki masters and all light workers on planet Earth. This is a 12 to 15 stone setup, and all of the hybrid healing short staffs, I call these because they're double-sided, have large pieces of selenite, I call them selenite cores, embedded inside of the sequoia wood. All of our new energy tools at Galactic Wands have been worked on and created through different various prototypes for the last 2.5 years. These tools we actively use here on Team Light. We have found through our energetic amplification, especially when you're working on the grid, all grid workers across planet Earth. If you do not have a galactic wand, I would definitely recommend creating your own wand for yourself. These energetic tools enable you to do things in a much more efficient, easy manner. Whether that be creating sacred space in your room, whether that be energetically clearing or removing lower frequency vibrations, just say, or in field work, especially when you are entering in specific sacred sites that need to be adjusted in a specific manner to also protect yourself when you're doing such things. All right, now here's a couple of the new product ones. These are all the short staffs here at Galactic Wands are all double-sided. You have a large double terminated crystal on the bottom as well as on the top. All of the new products at GalacticWands.com all come with hybrid Orgon matrix fuel cells. Those are some of the elements and frequencies of consciousness that we wish to use and create for our family. All of these tools are created with the highest intent. The frames are made from the giant sequoias in Northern California. We go and collect these every 6 months, let's just say, and everything about these energy tools has been consciously thought out. Nothing is left out, nothing is forgotten, I should say. This is simply a tool. There are many tools, there are many awesome creations out there on planet Earth. Here on Team Light, we enjoy using these energy tools because to do it with your bare hands in the beginning, for me especially, I found it would take 80% more chi in the beginning to do some of these energetic things that we have to do with your bare hands. Okay? If you want to build a house, yes, you can build a house with your bare hands, but it's nice to have a hammer, you know, a tool, an energetic tool to help bridge from this dimension, from this reality into the next. And the next is the goal for this planet. The next is the goal for this vibratory state here on planet Earth. So here at Galactic Wands and EthericTech, we are here to create the next with the highest intent. These are orgonite fuel cells. This is highly conductive copper, hand polished, with an orgonite fuel cell inside of it. There is a Lemurian tipped crystal as well as lodestone technology in each of our hybrids. As you can see as a visual aid with our pillars of light, you can see some of the components that is going on inside of our energetic fuel cells, Orgon fuel cells. Now, we then supersize this. You can find these products, mind you, on your Galactic Hybrid Healing Wands, your short staffs, and your full staffs, which by the way I've upgraded for you guys, free of charge, with real emeralds and rubies and blue sapphires. We found that these components are very familiar with some of the components that we used to play with a long, long time ago. And some of our downloads and some of the deals that we've been processing, those older downloads and how we used to make crowns and tools are now being encompassed in our products now. Now, if you can hand me our energy batons, which are brand new. We found here at Team Light that our tools that we use to actually work with are very specifically designed and are very powerful. We found that we want to do energy manipulation and practice in our training routine, that we needed to create something that was just for training. These are highly charged piezoelectric devices. Both have double terminated crystals in each of the tips. And we also have the lodestone technology in the central grip with the black tourmaline, so no lower frequencies can use our tools. Mind you, we make our tools with the highest intent.
Yes.
Now, with these devices, they will allow you to amplify your chi. That's truly what an energy tool is. It's truly what a wand is. It's a tool that aids you in amplification of your chi, of your own vital force, of your energy, and how you express that in your reality, hence energy manipulation. Fantastic. Now, to supersize this, we now have the energetic bow staff. These are awesome, amazing, and they're very durable. Like I said, the reason why they are gold, they'll come to you like this. Okay? Energy batons by themselves. Connected, however, you double the amount of amplification, I should say, coming out of these this bow staff. Now, same type of situation that's going on inside of our pillars of light, our Egyptian batteries. The magnetite, which in the lodestone technology, which is magnetite struck by lightning. Again, with the piezoelectric effect of the orgonite and the 60, we call it the magic mix. Each of these products have a magic mix of elements and rare earth magnets, as well as earth from sacred sites around planet Earth, which truly combined, create a one-of-a-kind product, one-of-a-kind tool here on planet Earth. And with these tools, we hope to aid mass consciousness in raising their vibration and in understanding your own energy and vital force and how to use it with the highest intent. We hope to create a higher vibratory state for all beings on planet Earth. So you can find these products in the EthericTech at EthericTech.com, GalacticWands.com in the shopping cart. Any questions, feel free to email us at support@UniteTheCollective.com. And we love you guys very much. Namaste and Lak'ech.